Hi there, and welcome to this complete walkthrough of the Shopify and WooCommerce integration plugin. This plugin lets you quickly connect your Shopify and WooCommerce stores, making it easy to migrate or sync products, orders, and customers with minimal effort, either one-time or in real time. In this video, we'll show you how to easily integrate your WooCommerce and Shopify stores in just a few easy steps. After you have installed the plugin in your WordPress dashboard, go to the Shopify and WooCommerce integration plugin. Before we can begin syncing data, we need to first authenticate both stores. To do that, you'll need 4 things: your WooCommerce consumer key, WooCommerce consumer secret, your Shopify store name, and your Shopify access token. If you're not familiar with these terms, don't worry, we'll walk you through exactly how to get each one step by step. Let's begin with WooCommerce. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click WooCommerce, then Settings. Now go to the Advanced tab and select REST API from the submenu. Here, you'll see the option to create API key. Go ahead and click on that. On the next screen, you'll need to fill out a few fields. Start by entering a description. This can be anything you like. It is just for your reference. Then set the permissions to read/write. This is really important. Without read/write permissions, the plugin won't be able to make changes to your WooCommerce store, like adding or updating products. So, make sure it's set to read/write. Once you've entered the details, click Generate API Key. You'll see your consumer key and consumer secret appear on the screen. Keep in mind, you'll only see them once, so copy them right away and save them in a safe place like a notepad. I'll do the same now and save mine. Now, let's move on to Shopify. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings in the bottom left corner. From there, click on Apps and Sales Channels, and then select Develop Apps at the top right. If you've never created an app before, you'll need to click Allow Custom App Development. Once that's done, click on Create an App. Give your app a name. Something simple like WooCommerce integration will do. After that, click on Create App. Next, you'll need to configure the admin API scopes. This will tell Shopify what access your app needs. Click on Configure Admin API Scopes and check the boxes for all the permissions your integration requires. For full functionality, it's best to select everything here. Once you've selected the permissions, click Save. Now, head over to the API Credentials tab and click on Install App under the Access Tokens section. After that, click Install, and your access token will be generated. To view your token, click on Reveal Token once. Just like with the WooCommerce credentials, copy and save this token in a secure place because you won't be able to see it again. Now, we're going to get your store name. In your Shopify admin, look near the top, where you'll see the My Store icon. Copy your store name from here. Make sure to remove the .myshopify.com part. You only need the name of your store for the authentication step. Alright, we now have all the credentials we need. Head back to the Shopify and WooCommerce integration plugin. In the Authentication section, enter the consumer key and consumer secret from WooCommerce. And for Shopify, enter your store name and your access token. Once everything's filled in, click Authorize on both WooCommerce and Shopify tabs. You'll see the status indicator turn yellow first, that means it's processing. Once the connection is successful, it'll turn green, just like this. If it turns red, no worries, just double-check your credentials, update them, and try again. Now that your stores are connected, it's time to configure your sync settings. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like or leave a comment. We're always here if you need help.